Hi guys, it's Kelly from Cards by Christine here with you on a Tip Tuesday to share with you some tips on how to store your dies. Stampin' Up! Has beautiful dies and I love the packaging that they come in. However, the card they come on can sometimes be a hassle. It has these ultra sticky adhesive strips on it, and it just doesn't come off super easy, and sometimes I feel like I'm gonna bend my die, and it just, to me, felt like there had to be a better way. So let me take all of my dies off of here quick. What I did was I found these magnetic vent covers. I just buy them off of Amazon. You can find them on Walmart, Menards. They're vent covers, so a hardware, or basically any hardware store, I'm guessing, would carry them. And I took and I traced this size because most of our dies come in this size. There also is a larger size. So trace the size of the card that it comes on, but make your cut just a bit smaller. So this comes in a 3-pack. They're white, and then of course the black side, or the magnetic side, is black. And trace your card, but I made it slightly smaller. Maybe should have made it a little smaller. We'll see. Made it slightly smaller than the card that it came on, and then go ahead and they just stick beautifully. You're not going to be fighting your adhesive strips anymore. So go ahead and stick on all of your dies. And then you can put it back in its sleeve if you like that. And slide it right back into your case. Now, the reason I made it slightly smaller is because you're limited to the size that this plastic is, so you don't want to have it too big that now, because it's a little thicker than this card that it came on, you just don't want it to not fit and not slide nice and easy. One tip I do have about using, cutting your pieces out of here: use a utility scissor to cut it out. You definitely don't want to use any of your stamping scissors because it's magnetic, and it might mess with the blade of your scissors. So definitely do not use a good scissor when cutting it apart. I do advise that you will definitely want to use something a little more crummy when cutting it apart. So it's a great way to keep yourself organized, to use magnetic sheets. And I guess I do have one more little tip. When using, like, if you get this size, which this is a standard size, it's 8 by 15 or so, maybe a little larger, you get this odd size that is on the top, and obviously you don't want to waste it. You can, make a new one out of a bunch of these strips and just kind of stick it to this card, maybe, for instance. And then you're just not wasting any of your sheets. So just a little bonus tip on there. But I hope you enjoy this tip. I hope it motivates you to think about how you can organize your supplies. And I hope that you have a great Tip Tuesday, and we will see you again on Thursday.